it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing my Fabfitfun Spring add-ons. If you're not familiar with the add-ons, basically you get your Fabfitfun box every season, but now they have it where you can add on products to your box so that when you do get your box, you get some extra goodies in there. And they're really discounted. So like they're items that normally if you were to buy, they would be quite pricey, but because you're able to add them onto your box, they have them at heavily discounted prices. Today I have partnered up with Fabfitfun to share those spring add-ons with you guys. So any of these things that you see in this video today, you are able to add on to your Fabfitfun Spring box. So I will leave a link down below so that you guys know exactly where to go. This deal will only last until February 18th and then your box will ship out. So if you do see anything here that you like, you need to make sure that you do order it before the 18th. That way you are sure to get it. If you haven't already got a Fabfitfun box, I do have a coupon code for you guys so you guys can save $10 off. And then that will bring your box down from $49.99 down to $39.99. And then if you get any add-ons, obviously that would be an additional price. Make sure to take advantage of that coupon code. That way you guys can save a little bit of money. And let's just go ahead and get started. So the very first thing is the June and May wireless headphones. These are basically wireless headphones. So they run from Bluetooth. And basically they have 3 different colors. The ones that I got are gray, which is kind of like a nice charcoal color. The future is wireless. Like, I cannot stand wires at all. So they have a natural cloth padding for comfort and style. It's fun because they kind of look like almost like little, like, you know, those little fuzzy ones that you wear when you're cold. So they just kind of, wow, they're really, I'm kind of like deafened. Like, they're quite, yeah, it's canceling out all the noise. So they have a Bluetooth 4.1 for the ultimate quality in music streaming. The headband is flexible and adjustable. It has onboard control buttons to skip, play, and pause music. Oh, okay, yeah, right here. So that you can skip everything. And then it's noise reducing for extra tranquility, rubberized coating for durability, and a 5-hour battery life. Okay, so next is the Mountain City Koala Tree. I believe this is like oh yeah, it is. It's a packable loafer hammock. This is 450-pound weight limit. Wow, that's pretty good. And it packs into this little pouch. And so basically, if you're like going camping or if you're going out on a hike or you're just gonna be outdoors, then you can pack yourself a little hammock in this nice little bag. And it's not too heavy. I mean, it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not overly heavy. I don't want to open it up because that would be huge, but it looks like it's just blue and it just like comes out of the bag and then it's a hammock. So that's really cool. That's obviously going to be for someone who is more like outdoorsy, who knows they're going to be spending a lot of time, you know, camping or hiking or just being outdoors this spring and summer. Okay, so next we have the Namaste Skin. It's like a little spa set. So it's like a full set. Nice that it comes in a little bag because then you can keep everything all nice. So the first thing is the Lavender Bath and Spa Salt for relaxation. This is made with essential oils and 100% pure sea salt. So there we go. That's what that one looks like. The packaging is nice. Then we have the Purifying Probiotic Charcoal Facial Mask. So that's cool that they're giving you like an actual facial mask in there. Then there's the Namaste Skin Superfruit Peptide Eye Lift Cream. So it's like a little spa kind of skincare set. The Namaste Skin Turmeric Herbal Shower Gel. And that's kind of like a nice size because I feel like it's small enough to where you could travel with it. I mean, if you were checking. But then it's still a decent size. Oh, that smells really good. Smells like oranges. Yeah, it smells like oranges. Then we have the Turmeric and Ginger Herbal Hand and Body Cream. I'm gonna try that because my hands are super dry. Oh yeah, that's really nice. It's super liquidy, so it doesn't like feel super tacky or thick. It's just like a really nice, very like lightweight lotion. And it smells like oranges. And you get a little poof poof. You get a little kind of like scrubby loofah. You get this little, I think that's for cellulite, you know, those like little rollers. You get a foot pumice stone and you get this little brush. Is that for your cellulite or is that for your hair? Travel size wooden hairbrush. So there you go. That's a nice little set actually. That is a really nice gift. If you did want to gift it. So next we have the Acai Body Power Cream. This is from Sol Genera. This is infused with the legendary wonders of acai oil. Resilient, radiant, energizing. And basically I think it's just a body cream. So I like the packaging with that really like fun, vibrant purple bottom. And then the top is like really thick and kind of chunky. It's born in Brazil. This kind of reminds me of the Bum Bum cream. Maybe it's the same, it must be the same makers because it looks like the Bum Bum cream. I'm assuming it's gonna smell good. Oh, it's pink. Ha! It's like the same color as my hair. Oh, that's delicious. It smells really fresh. I was expecting it to be fruity, but it actually smells, oh God, it's like so creamy. It's actually more of a floral scent. It again absorbs into the skin really nicely. It's very silky and it smells so delicious and I love the color of it. Okay, so next we have the Eau Thermale Avene Thermal Spring Water. I actually have one of these somewhere. Basically what I use it for is kind of like a primer spray. You could use it throughout the day. You could use it to set if you wanted to. You could use it to like prime before you put your foundation on. You can use it when you have no makeup just to kind of give yourself a little bit of moisture and hydration. It's soothing, softening, and it is available for sensitive skin. That's a full size as well, so that's really nice. There's no scent. It's basically just like spraying like water on your face. It's really super gentle. Okay, next we have the Campo Relax Hydration Body Oil. This is 100% natural aromatherapy. It's a soothing essential oil blend with lavender, rosemary, and frankincense and a base of ultra hydrating beauty oils. It looks like this. So it's like in a kind of like little cardboard kind of tube. And then, oh pretty, it's got a little palm tree, cute. It's kind of like very, it looks very like prescription type of, you know what I mean? Like that's the packaging. So it has a little dropper. I just want to have a sniff. It's made in California. Oh yes, it smells exactly like lavender. So it does come out in like an actual oil, so it's very liquidy. And it smells really nice of lavender. I don't really recognize any of the other scents, but I definitely smell the lavender for sure, but it's not like a super, you can tell that it's mixed with something. It's like when you go to get a massage, it has that kind of like very relaxing, like just lavender scent. It's a very nice oil. It's going into the skin nicely. It gives you a nice sheen and it smells amazing. So that would be great for massage. Valentine's Day is coming up. You can ask your lovely little Valentine for a massage and be like, here you go. That's for you, for me. Okay, next we have the okay, I'm gonna say this wrong. Immunocology. I have no idea. This is the Hyaluronic Serum. This is what it looks like, so you guys can figure out what the word says by yourself. I have no clue. This is a highly effective and natural hydrating serum that plumps the skin and smooths lines and wrinkles for a healthy complexion that is soft and supple. Okay, so it comes in like a really dark, like navy blue little glass bottle with a pump, which is nice. It does have a little topper. And then let's just see. Okay, so it is like a straight up clear serum. It's very, very liquidy. It just absorbs really quickly. It feels silky, but it doesn't feel oily in any way. Oh, it has a very strong scent of, oh, I don't know what that scent is. It's very herbally. I don't know what the scent is. It's not bad, but it's definitely, I don't know what that scent is, but it is quite strong. So if you are sensitive to scents, just keep that in mind. It's not bad at all. Very herbally though, quite strong. Okay, next is the Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This is supposed to reduce blemish size and redness within 4 hours. Whoa, whoa, wee wah. It's 2% salicylic acid acne treatment, maximum strength. Now you guys know I'll be using this. Okay, then we have the Qatari Coconut Shear Oil. This is non-GMO, paraben-free, sulfate-free, silicone-free. And let's see, it is also cruelty-free, petroleum-free, recyclable. This beauty oil bombshell does it right and keeps it light. Jam-packed with anti-aging properties, it's a face moisturizing, makeup removing, split end mending powerhouse that can multitask like nobody's business. Lavishly apply onto face and hair, fit to favor any skin type and make coarse hair cooperate. Wow! So you can remove your makeup with this? That's exciting. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, cute, I love the packaging. The packaging looks very kind of like, what does that look like? Very tropical, doesn't it? Is this focusing? I can't tell. I have no clue if this is focusing right now. There we go. So it's like a really cute little white and then green packaging. And then it has a little dropper. I do want to smell it. I'm assuming it's just coconut, so it'll probably smell like coconut. Yeah, it smells like coconut. So it says to keep it at 60 degrees, but don't worry, changing consistency won't hurt the quality. To restore the bottle under hot water. Okay, so it's kind of like chunky at the moment. Like there's some definite like thicker blobs. So it says to just run it under hot water. So if you get it and you're like, oh God, what is this? Don't fret. It's coconut oil, so they do harden when it's cooler. You can see there's like some lumps in there. Whoa! But then it'll just melt as soon as you rub it into the skin. So, I mean, that definitely feels like an oil. That was way too much. If you're going to use it as a moisturizer, then you would definitely want to use a lot less. But to remove makeup, I could see how this would work really well because it does definitely have a nice slip to it. It's not overly strong of coconut. It doesn't feel like it's scented coconut. It just seems quite like, well, it seems very natural. Okay, then we have the Daily Concepts Your Konjac Sponge. This is 100% natural and preservative free, made from konjac root. The turmeric hydrates and regenerates. And basically you just keep these in your shower. It comes with this little holder, and then it also comes with one of these little things that you can like stick through, and then it sticks onto your shower so you can hold it in there. This is the Glam Glow Plump Rageous Matte Lip Plumper Treatment. These are basically like a plumper, but I believe that it's, oh, it's matte, and the color is called Body Double. Let's just open it up. And these do kind of give you a little bit of a tingle because they do kind of plump your lips. It's just like a silver packaging like this. And then I forgot, okay, yeah, so you just twist it like this, and then you pull it out like that. And I'm just gonna, so this one is matte, and it's kind of like a brownie nude color. Basically though, it's like a matte plumping treatment, so if you're someone who doesn't really like a glossy lip, but you still want like a plumping treatment, then you could get that, and that way it's matte, but it gives you that kind of tingle sensation, and it kind of plumps your lips and make them a little bit like fuller. So there is all the spring add-ons, guys. If you want that $10 off coupon to put towards your FabFitFun box, be sure to use the code SAMSALE. That will save you $10 off. So it'll bring the box down from $49.99 down to $39.99. So it's a really good discount. So huge thanks to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this video and offering that coupon code for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.